Alright guys, today I'm going to be teaching you how to make an arrow in Adobe Illustrator, and it's actually easier than you might think. Now the most important part of this is the stroke panel, so I'm using Adobe CC 2019. Whenever I draw something, my stroke panel actually pops up over here. But if you don't have this, you can go up to Window and go down to Stroke. Yours will probably open like this. All you have to do is click on this hamburger menu and click Show Options. Now, since I already have my line selected, I'm going to go over here to the stroke panel, and right here it says arrowheads. And I can just select these predefined things right here, and then boom, I have an arrow. Now, it looks horrible, but there's something that can help you with that. So below arrowheads is a scale option. Now I'm going to lock this so that I can change the end and the beginning at the same time. And then you can adjust the scale of the two endpoints that you picked. Now the scale option is important because whenever you adjust the stroke, like the weight of it, it does strange things. And that's why you kind of need this to make it look right. You can also do this individually by making sure that's unlocked, and then you can just change these however you like. And this will work on any stroke, so you can draw something with your pen tool, your curvature tool, your shapes, your line, and your pencil. And there's the quickest and easiest way I know how to make an arrow in Adobe Illustrator. Thanks so much for watching, guys, and I'll talk to you again soon. Bye!